Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, Jamaica. People are coming and ask me how comes me not talk about the $14 million. Where for we dirty nasty, dirty government. I go take up and go give dirty SSL. And when you talk like this, the Christians them they don't want to hear. The moment you start use the word dirty and think and drunkro. Come like my mother. My mother don't want me call Andrew Holness drunkro. Andrew you are drunkro. You and the dirty minister, security minister, the finance minister, all of them. Uno wicked. Uno wicked. Uno sick stomach. But you know who me cuss this morning? Me not cuss the parliamentarians, you know. Because they've been robbing. Them are rape without condom for years. And Jamaicans, uno uncle have strength for one another. Uno get up. Uno that kill uno neighbor. Uno bus gun. Uno light fire. Uno do all kind of things. Uno chat bad. Uno go on bad. Uno no bad. Uno a damn coward. Uno a coward. Because politicians should have afraid. Politicians should be scared to make them a decision here in Jamaica. $14 million every month for give SSL. We rob so much people. Why? Womek. Why are you protecting? This is not a government institution. It's a private It's a private institution. Private institution where common people like me and regular Jamaicans can't get into. Because that's where the elites, uno drunkro, keep on the money and wash on the dirty money. Let me tell you this, you know. You see, me, I gotta be a martyr for Jamaica. So I wanna send on a bad man friend them, send everybody. I wanna send them. Because I need to understand that there are Jamaicans who have had enough. Me, I'm one of them who have had enough. Me sick and tired of uno. Me sick. It teacher them. Uno put out a report of having over 850 a teacher resign this year and uno concern. You know what uno concern? Oh, let us employ our sixth form students. That shouldn't even come out of your mouth. Fayeval Williams. You uno busy every day dress up in a fancy, nasty, dirty thinking clothes. I go to parliament and beat and jump. And I raise and I give yourself a 200 and 300% increase. And the principal them will get the 200% increase. Them now come out and talk. And the high ranking police them want to pay off. To keep the foot soldier them quiet. Wanna pay off high ranking police. Wanna pay off principal. Wanna pay off a dirty judge them. Wanna even want increase. Wanna want increase the DPP time. Wanna want increase her time because I know say she, I wanna judge them will cover on a nastiness. Because she, I want them to figure out prison. Because she Enzinga King when the police woman cut off Enzinga King, he Rasta girl ear. They got about no charge. When the dirty farmer, Minister of Agriculture, did break the no movement there with them friends and my boss champion. You the DPP talk about no charge. When the woman the speaker of the house, when she did that dash her dirty garbage for the roadside, the speaker of the house. You DPP, you Paula. And you talk about no charge. And everything no charge. And this is the person who want to talk about her retirement age needs to lengthen so that she can't turn in there for go and do no dirty work. You see, on a dirty liar friend them, on a dirty police, on a dirty politician. We sick of uno. We sick of uno. And only thing uno do, uno talk about people are inside and inside. Uno are inside poverty. And the more uno keep doing then a same thing here, and more uno force criminal. We go kick down ordinary people door. Look how I teach them. Look how foreign people want to we teach them. I want to we nurse them. And drunk, uno can't find any money to pay them. But you can't find 14 million to get thinking SSL. I don't think so enough to be angry. I don't think so enough for Black Road. I don't think so enough for Light Fire. Yo, let me tell you this, you know. You don't know me, you know. You don't know me, you know. You don't know me. And me willing for dead for Jamaica. You don't approve of dirty thinking, mining, backside mining people them. Want to frig up your whole country. I be a hole left in the earth's surface of some gigantic hole. And people don't understand the seriousness of it. Because the further you dig, the closer you get to water. Here? The further you dig, closer you get to water. So any earthquake come here, so Manchester done. Senton done. You nah think, you nah use on your head. And you know why it hurt me? Because Jamaica don't benefit from nothing. You sell out the whole country. If you people couldn't take up Duns River and take up everything you sell, nothing left here. You still a rob. You still a rob. And I promise prosperity. You drunk, bro. You tired. Let me tell you something. You see, if you the damn Middle East, that's why I say, see, you Jamaicans, I can chatter off in the face. I'm about to know bad. I know this. I'm here shatter. I'm here this. You know I'm going to shatter for the friend them, man. You know I'm going to shatter for regular Jamaican citizens. I don't them alone don't have strength for. When they make politicians come round and sweet cheating up and show thinking money in the pocket. And force the entire country to turn criminals. The whole of the youth them walk with them pants under them body because they don't work. And dig out there and make every freaking day. Because there are no factories. There's no work. 45% I put in them will graduate this year. Carried. And then graduate. 45% carried. And you have time to casually get up until we say, you know going to get SSL $14 million a month and teach them the money. Yo, I last one this. You not get no more. And PMP, you know drunk. Opposition, my goal in here, your friend them up there. When you know, say, when Andrew Holness said 200%, he went on the thump our fist behind closed doors and say, yo, we like it, but you real dog. You think we don't know, say, thump our fist go on? Me did guard it. Me remember one time when I invite one group and me used to sing with. When me in a church. And we come a prayer breakfast. Portia Simpson did invite you and we go. And after we go up a Pegasus for the Kippy. That's when the prayer breakfast done. I first time I wake up in a Jamaica, never forget it. About 12 years ago. You hear me telling you? You know what happened? Me say PMP and Labour right. I hug up and laugh and chat. And you know what instantly hit me? Jamaicans all with the road. I kill off with one another. For them they're drunk already. When you ever hear a politician kill another politician in Jamaica, one politician never got to prison. And a Jack Smith. Because in thief, a farm worker them money. You see them farm worker them right now who are complaining about bad conditions. I want to make a dirty little one where both him go over to Canada and him not see nothing wrong. Because on the car him got one nice facility. Jamaicans over there suffer. Right now Jamaicans should not go foreign. Fear work in a farm work. When we have so much farm out here, we share a farm. We import more than we export. We don't do nothing for the country. We don't plan for the country. Every goddamn, we get up and I beg IMF, I beg World Bank, I beg all kind of people. We beg. Jamaicans can't open a business because every business here is for China. We sell out to main port. So China control it. So China can bring in anything in our country for free. And the black man like me and the others who want to do business, we have to carry and pay 100% tax. But when we can't, so when time we doing markup, we can't compete with the Chinese because we know free in our business. And people now connect that. And when a man like me talk, we don't want to send man, better send the whole friggin' army. Remember me telling you, me, I'm going to be a martyr for Jamaica. Me, Nelson Blower Mandela for Jamaica. Me, Marcus Garvey for Jamaica. Big up all our movement them. NDM, the Up Jamaica, Marcus Garvey movement, PPP, all of them. We collectively will be taking back this country. And Jamaica need to know, I'm not hear from me. We are now one. Most of the oppositions, when I go up on the ballot box because see one EPA are different names. We have now joined forces. Uno, we are more powerful than you think. And watch me. Me want every Jamaican want see that video here. Uno come out in the streets. Not gonna walk. Taxi man me a call out to uno. Teachers who fed up. Police who fed up. Gunman, bad man, every kind of man who fed up. A time for we move. Entertainers. Wanna wake up, man?
Well. Papa, Jesus. At first, me see a man come out up and anja. Judge God. Put a like and leave a comment there, guys. This a room too hot for me. I'm out of here.